Hello everyone, today we are at Zylostar going to discuss weekly market updates with me Mr. Samer and Mr. Amizia.
As an add-on to Nurhan's introduction, I'm going to be elaborating for you the technical outlook on Bitcoin and NASDAQ for the next week.
It's my pleasure to be here with you, Nurhan, and also Samer. So today we are going to have a brief summary of the fundamental of the coming week.
For this week, as we can see, starting from 22 of July till 26th of July. Let's start. We can see here trading view of Zylostar strategy. You can search here, it will show you the profile of Zylostar as you can see guys here. Let's take three pairs with me, EURUSD, gold and dollar index. We'll start with dollar index. We have here dollar index has given a channel breakout upside. So after that we can expect, or maybe he will come to this resistance level here, or will retest again this support area from here. If this area is broken, it may fall down. This is the analysis regarding the XY, and let's see. Okay, it's going up. So let's go to the gold market. In the gold market, okay, as a present is resting on a key level here, diamond zone, which has been tested so many times. If this diamond zone hold, then we may expect again bull run, and if this area is broken from here, it may fall to next support area here. Okay, let's see the gold market. Okay, so let's go to EURUSD. In EURUSD, we can see here head and shoulder pattern, and with this channel here, it's already broken from here and going to this support here. In this support here, we can expect that he will go to this resistance here. If it fails, this support here may fall down. Okay, and this is what we can see with me, and let's go to the Bitcoin and NASDAQ market.
Alright everyone, so here we are about to share our outlook on Bitcoin and NASDAQ for the upcoming week. We very often share our trading ideas and opinions on our terminal on TradingView. Feel free to follow it, which is Zylostar strategy. You can follow to stay updated about markets' recent movements, trading ideas, etc., etc. Feel free to repost as well. That will be helpful for you and for the community of traders on TradingView as well. So hopping into the first one of them, which is Bitcoin. As we can see, Bitcoin has been forming higher highs and higher lows. And we can see the price is contained in an ascending channel. Now, the price, as per when this analysis, is touching the support trend line of that ascending channel. And from this point exactly, we have two probable moves for Bitcoin. The first one is the price trying to retest the upper resistance of the ascending channel. And in this case, if it tries to do that, it will have to retest this resistance. Now, if price breaks below the channel, most likely it will go down and retest the previous support for the price movement, and then the probability is higher to go and retest the previous resistance if this breakdown happens. So this is our outlook on Bitcoin. Now going to NASDAQ or US 100, as we can see, it's quite or almost quite the opposite happening here. We can see that NASDAQ has been performing a very nice uptrend in the past while until it started forming lower lows and lower highs. So after the break of this recent support level, which has turned it into resistance, we can see the price retesting the previous support. Now this support is not just a support, as we can see it's a premium support due to multiple times the price trying to break it and failing previously. Right, so we can see the price currently is at a premium support. So the most probable move here may be is going up and retesting the previous resistance. Now, another alternative move is the price to break below the support, right? And in case that happens, the probability will be for the price to go and retest the previous support level. So that will be it about NASDAQ and Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Feel free to follow us to stay updated about market news and trading ideas. We like to do all the hard work in the background and give you the summary of all that we analyze to you.
All right, now we are going to have a brief summary on fundamental, and we will talk deeply about fundamental effect and fundamental factors for this week. We will analyze economic indicators, FedWatch tool, geopolitical events, and also earnings of the companies. So let's get started. This week, most of the countries from Europe and also US, they have PMI or Event Purchasing Managers Index on 24th of July. So we have manufacturing and services PMI from the S&P Institute for Europe, UK, and also US on 24th. And also on 24th later we have the monetary policy report of BOC or Bank of Canada. We are going to see what will happen to CAD after that bright inflation numbers we had already in the last 2 weeks. So later on 25th of July we have advanced GDP quarterly for the second quarter. It means we are going to see what happened already for the GDP of the second quarter. And do not forget, this is a preliminary numbers, and it can be easily revised by the source which already published. And also we have initial jobless claims, same on 25th of July. Later on Friday, on 26th of July, we have PCE inflation data, which is the most favorite indicator for inflation for the Federal Reserve, and they said this indicator is in the center of their attention. So let's go to the next topic. As I want to talk about FOMC meetings. As you remember, at the beginning of June, market were pricing only if I come to this section, okay, at the beginning of June, market participants were pricing near to 59.52% probability of 1 quarter rate cut by FOMC. But now on 23rd of July, we have 91.73 probability of rate cut on the September meeting, which is very higher than last month. So it means market is pricing lower interest rate by the end of the year. So let's go to the earnings of the companies. So this week is a very important week for the earnings of the companies for today, which is exactly Tuesday. Before market, we have the earnings of Spotify, General Motors, Coca-Cola, and other companies like UPS. And after market, we have Tesla, Alphabet, Google, Visa, Texas Instruments, and other companies. On Wednesday, before market, we have the earning of VRT, AT&T, and also after market, we have the earnings of CMG, Ford, IBM, and other companies. The most amazing part about it is on Friday and on Tuesday, which is exactly today. And on Friday, before market, we have the earning of 3M and also Charter Communications, and it's in the center of attention of the investors, and you should put a good weight on this earnings. So let's talk about geopolitical events. So as you know, Donald Trump has to compete with the new Democrat, which is Kamala Harris. It's already endorsed by Joe Biden, and it got near to, I think, more than 40 or 50% of Democrats endorse, and she's going to compete with Donald Trump. It means the probability of winning Donald Trump can be lower than last week or even last month, because he has a new competitor, and it made the financial market to take risk for yesterday and also today. So eventually, to be concluded, we talked about indicators. Do not forget, today we have also existing home sales, which is very important, and we should pay attention to the numbers of the home which already sold for last month. After that, we talked about the tradable funds of Federal Reserve. Later, we talked about geopolitical events and also earnings of the companies. Here is total information which I wanted to share with you guys. Good luck.
So this will be the outlook for the upcoming week. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and follow us for more updates.